and welcome. It's Cats. Hello, Paintin' Peeps. Take 3. Hello, Painting Peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am glad you're here. I came down for a late night pour. Rick and I went on a fun adventure, took a Harley ride, got sidetracked because of a landslide that happened up in the mountains, but that little detour that they put us on took us past a beautiful waterfall and just some windy, wonderful mountain roads. So I'm grateful. Saw a glorious sunset which has inspired me, so I've come down here, mixed up some paints in my happy place, and we are going to attempt to do an abstract sunset. I might even put a little island in it. I don't know. Let's see how this all turns out. We are working on a 10 by 20 reused gallery wrap canvas. I painted it, didn't like it, and scraped it into my slop bucket to reuse the color as a base coat, and let it dry for about a week or 2. I don't know how long this has been drying, but we've got some really nice colors, guys. We've got some good base coat colors. Right here in this cup is Blicks Acrylics in the Mars Black. And right next to it looks like black, but it's not. It's a mix of black and Luckas Krill Studio in the Indigo. So it's a very, very dark blue for a nice contrast against that black. And right here we have Yummy Goodness color, guys. That is a combination of Golden Fluids in the Burnt Sienna and Modern Masters in the Burnt Orange. So we have got some heavenly colors that I am excited about using. Right here, a lot of people's favorite DecoArt metallics in their 24 karat gold. Now, I mix this paint a little thicker than the other paints because I'm going to be doing a lot of swiping. And this represents my sun, or part of my sun. And as I swipe over it, if the paint is a little bit thicker, it won't move as much. So I'm hoping that this gives us some good sunset colors going on. This will go kind of in the blacks and the blues. This is a beautiful color. This is Alchemy, and this is their emerald green. I ordered a bunch of these paints the other day. They're too darn small, but they sure as heck are rich in color and beautiful. Let me see if you can see that blue-green kind of shimmer, guys. It's glorious. This right here, Yummy Goodness, Golden Fluids, the Q word in the Nickel Azo Gold. And this right here is the Q word in the Nickel Azo Gold, and I added a few squeezes of the Pebeo Studio Acrylics in the Iridescent Precious Gold. And these two combined, guys, you've heard me talk about it before, make a yummy, yummy color. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Is that not grand, guys? Let's take a look at that consistency. Just a creamy, smooth mound when the paint rolls off the popsicle stick into the paint below. This is also a pretty, pretty color, guys. That is Modern Masters Metallics in the Antique Bronze, and I mixed into it just a little bit of the Golden Iridescent Bronze Fine. This is a yummy color, but when it's up next to copper and a few other colors, it tends to take on a green hue. At least it does to me. So I like mixing it up with other paints. This was a challenge. If you all are following me, you know I don't do much with yellow. Yellow is such a bold, bossy color that it tends sometimes to take your eye. What the heck was that? Did you see that bug just go across the screen? Anyways, yellow tends to take over and be a little bossy, take your eye away from other things. So I just fiddled and fiddled with that. Started with golden iridescent bright gold. Added into it a little bit of Golden Fluids Indian yellow hue. Then added into that a little bit of the Golden Fluids iridescent copper. Am I making your head spin? I hope not, guys. You just got to be like a mad scientist. You got to do a little of this and a little of that until you get to the color that you were hoping for. So there you have it. Our tool of choice, our swiping tool today is my paintbrush, which is cut up pieces of damp paper towel. And every once in a while, guys, you might see me dip this paper towel into one of these colors to add a little bit more to the composition. So, oh, and for funsies, maybe when we're all done, I might go ahead and throw in a little bit of the Golden High Flow. This is very, very, very fluid paint, guys. And if I use it right out of the bottle. I do not mix it with any pouring medium whatsoever. Pouring medium. What is our pouring medium? I got my GAC 800 back in the mail today. So I start off with about a half part of the Golden Gac 800, 1 part paint, and then 1.5 parts Floetrol, and then water if needed. All of these paints, with the exception of the fluid paints, needed just a little bit of water. The Art Alchemy did not. It is a very, very fluid paint. The DecoArt 24 karat gold is probably the thickest paint, but I went ahead and I left it a little thick for the reasons I explained earlier, guys. So, oh, and I also have just on the side as my eraser, this is just the Blicks Mars Black, and there is a bug crawling all over my phone, guys. So let me take care of the critter. Let me put some tunes on, and we're gonna get busy painting, guys. Thanks for joining me.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can looking. We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Oh, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I Don't you know